I'm Jenna from the Elyria Public Library Systems Marketing and Programming Department, and today we are going to make buffalo mac and cheese. So come along with us as we follow along. So today we're going to be making our buffalo mac and cheese, and what we already have in the pot is a half a cup of butter and a tablespoon of garlic, and everything is melted and the garlic has browned. So what we're going to do is we're going to make our cheese sauce for the macaroni, and we're going to add a third a cup of flour. We're going to give that a stir until you have like a light brown mixture, and it'll thicken up, and you want to make sure most of your lumps are out. So now that our lumps are out, you're going to slowly start adding your milk. So it'll be 3 cups of milk. If you like it a little bit creamier, you could add more milk, but I wouldn't go over like an extra half a cup. So we're going to slowly add our milk in. And what you're going to look for is stirring it in as well as bringing it back up to a boil. So that was 2 cups of milk. We're going to give it a stir. And what you're feeling for is just making sure your flour mixture, the flour, butter, garlic mixture, is up off the bottom of the pan and actually mixing in with your milk. So I do like my macaroni and cheese creamy, so I am adding the extra half cup. And at this point, whatever seasoning you like, if you like salt and pepper, go ahead and add it. It's a half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 a teaspoon of pepper. And what you'll want to do is bring this up to a boil. So today's mac and cheese is a twist on the classic. It is a buffalo chicken mac and cheese. So that means we have bacon and chicken and buffalo sauce as well, and we're using a mixture of cheddar and pepper jack cheese. If you don't like things spicy, you don't have to add in the pepper jack. You could use all cheddar cheese. You don't have to add in this buffalo sauce. The recipe also calls for blue cheese if you like it. That's up to you for your cheese mixture. So we'll get into those steps as soon as this is boiling. And you don't have to stir constantly, just every now and then give it a stir. And once it comes up to a boil, we'll add our cheese. So now that we have just a very, very soft boil, you can see a few bubbles coming up, and your mixture has really thickened to more of a sauce consistency, we are going to add 4 cups of cheese. So I have 2 cups of the pepper jack and 2 cups of the cheddar. Like I said, it's up to you what types of cheese you want to use. You could also, if you want this to be a more buffalo chicken style, you could add blue cheese as well. If you're going to add the blue cheese, it is really just extra. So you're still going to add the 4 cups of shredded cheese, and then you're going to add about a 1/4 of a cup of crumbled blue cheese. At this point, you're also going to add your buffalo sauce. So this is a 1/4 of a cup. If you like it spicier, you could add more. If you don't like it at all, you don't have to add it at all. And what you're looking for here is just a smooth cheese sauce. So you have to let all your shredded cheese melt into the mixture. So while the cheese is still melting away, you can go ahead and add your chicken. So this is a pound of cooked diced chicken. And then 3/4 of a pound of cooked chopped bacon. You can go ahead and give that a stir. you like your sauce to be creamier, you could still add milk at this point, but we're gonna add a pound of cooked pasta. I'm using Elbows, but you could use whatever pasta you would like. Elbows is just more of your traditional for macaroni and cheese. And you're gonna give it a good stir and make sure all of your pasta gets coated in that cheese sauce. If you're somebody who likes a crunchy mac and cheese, you could put this in a casserole dish and put it in your oven with a breadcrumb or panko crumb topping. You'd put it in your oven at 350 with the topping for about 10 minutes, or until you see kind of bubbly cheese topping. And there you have our buffalo chicken mac and cheese. Hope you enjoy. Have a good day.